welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super fun and unique video, at least for my channel, and that is going to be involving my husband. So he is actually involved in quite a bit of my videos, but you guys always do seem to enjoy when we are kind of doing videos together, so I thought I would include him again on sort of like a funnier topic, which is him doing my voiceover for my makeup look that I'm wearing right now. So Patrick and I have been together for over 8 years now, and for the entirety of those 8 years I have always loved makeup, and he knows that. And so he has definitely learned a little bit along the way, not gonna lie about that. So I'm super interested to see actually like what he knows, or like what he's confused about or thinks is weird about makeup. So that is what today's video is going to be. So I have no idea what you guys are gonna hear after this intro, but I really hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and let me know what other sort of like fun videos with Patrick that you guys might want to see. On a serious note, all of the products that I'm using today on my face will be linked in the description box below. And if you are not already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into this makeup voiceover.
Ooh, it's Kayla. I'm gonna apply sunscreen, and I'm gonna apply it to my face. It's also a primer. And that's pretty much it. Just gonna rub it all over. Fixing my hair, and peace out. Now, I don't really know exactly what I just put on my hands to put on my face, but I'm rubbing this in also as well. The next is a tan thing and another tan thing. And I'm just going to really rub them into my hand because it starts with the hand, but everybody says that the foundation starts at the face. I don't think anybody actually says that, but what we're doing is we're just going to keep splotching it on with the makeup brush. Put it all over. Because it is a foundation, you want it to be the first cover of your face. So I'm just going to keep doing this. You can see as it's blending into my skin. Ooh, this color is so nice. Alright, and we're going to be moving on. Tiddly-doo, look what I have. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to place this under my eyes into triangles. Okay, and then draw a bird on your forehead and then a little chin piece. Next, we're going to blend it with my makeup sponge. It is a little dirty, but don't mind that. So we're just going to keep doing this. We're going to keep doing this to my face, or I guess I'm going to do it to my face, and the whole time. So I'm just going to keep rubbing it in. You want to keep patting it. That way it doesn't rub against your skin and make it look like you were pushing it. Do it to your upper eyelids, on both of them, and under. And we're just going to finish up with the last eye. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to pat it against your hand really hard, open it, and take a little rag. And this is just going to be a powder that you're going to put underneath your eyes, and as I'm doing, and we're going to put it on our chin. So we're going to cover that little chin piece that I put on earlier, a little bit on the forehead, and then peace sign. So what we're going to do next is we're going to be working on the eyebrows, the structure of the face, as I call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an eyebrow pen, and I'm just going to be darkening where my eyebrows are. As you can see, I'm just following the outline and a few pieces on the eyebrow. You really want to get the inner hairs because those are the ones that are really going to stick out, and they're going to make you look very gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next one. We're pretty much going to do the same thing. You want to be very symmetrical. So just keep doing this over and on the line. As I can see, I pointed to it. The next is going to be a little comb, and then a brush. That's it. Alright, so we're just going to keep darkening these little pieces on my eyebrow. And we're going to be next taking a eyebrow mascara sort of style thing. We're just going to brush and comb and make it look very nice and even. And you can see as my eyebrow hairs are now looking very perfect. So once again, we're going to take my makeup sponge and move it. Alright, now you want to dabble this big makeup brush with some sort of powder. Jaclyn Hill, big shout out, love her products. I'm going to put the eyeshadow on my eyes. Rub it in just with your finger, you don't have to get special. I'm going to pick one color. This one I'm going to go with a brick color. It should match my shirt fairly well. It's going to be nice and bright and dark at the same time. It's going to be really cool. Now we're going to keep moving on. We're going to do the other eye. You obviously want to do both. You want to put it on the eyelid, also on the outer part and towards the upper part of the eyelid. Oh, Patrick's so funny. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to keep doing this, keep applying until it looks pretty good and covered. Next, we're going to take a similar color to the brick. This is called dark brick. So what we're going to do is we're just going to apply over top of it. So the first one is just one layer. You definitely want to do the second layer just on the outer part. What this is going to do is it's kind of going to help your eye have some dimension to it. And you're just going to apply that same way you did before to the outer eye. And you're just going to keep doing this until it looks good. Now the key here is you definitely want to keep squinting really tightly the way I am. That way you can see underneath. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take an eyeliner pen. Make sure not to poke yourself in the eye because that would hurt. So we're just going to keep doing this to the under eye. Next we're going to take the glitter. Whoop whoop. Girls' Day. Okay, we're going to be applying this. It's more like a inner part of the eye. So the outside we had dark brick. This is going to be like a silvery, shiny. It's going to make your eyes sparkle. It's going to be really good. So we're just going to keep adding this to the inner eye, a little bit underneath, just to make your eye glow some, because we all like to glow up. Look at me. So then we're going to be adding a brush with some dark stuff on it. This is going to go over your eyelashes. It looks super painful because it is. You're constantly poking yourself in the eye, and it really hurts. But, that comes with time and practice. So we're going to apply this also to the eyelashes and a little bit of highlighter underneath the brows just to make it sparkle. And fixing the hair one more time and peace sign. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to apply some mascara. We're going to really make those eyelashes pop and make them look long and luscious. So you're going to keep applying this. You want them to be applied evenly, and so there will be a little darkness to them. But just keep doing that, keep pricking at them real nice. So the next, we're going to do an under the eye mascara for the little eyelashes. And what we're going to do, you really want to be careful not to hit yourself in the eye again. Makeup's a dangerous thing. So we're just going to keep applying this, keep spreading them out evenly. I'm going to do the other eye now because you want it to look the same. So just keep working on these. Smile, smile. Oh, look at that. Oh no, I messed up. I got a little bit on my skin. I'm just going to take the makeup sponge and cover that right up. And we're back to it. We are back to doing the lashes. So we're just going to do it to the other eye again. We're going to get them right back up and plump. And now we're just going to keep doing this. And continue. We're doing our eyelashes. Alright, so we're going to move on to a Sigma. This is going to be for right at your eyelid. And you want to do both eyes. Get it real nice and black. And boom. Look at that. So pretty. Alright. Next, we're going to move on to a contour brush. We are going to apply this to the cheekbones because this is what it's going to do is it's going to make your cheeks look nice and high and prominent. And you can see I'm just doing a little patch there, and it's going to be like a path from your ear to your mouth. You want to get it on your forehead and under your chin, on your neck, everywhere. Now, one thing I like to do is fishy face, like you can see here. And that'll kind of help show your cheekbones the way I'm doing it there. And look at that. Real nice on the other side of the forehead. So then we're going to do a highlighter. And this is really going to make your cheeks shine, kind of help blend the contour. Next, we're going to be hitting up with our blush. This is going to make you look very innocent and very cute. And it's going to make your cheeks kind of rosy a little bit. So we're just going to keep doing that. We're going to apply it to both cheeks. And we're going to blend it with our makeup brush. The next is another Jaclyn Hill. And what we're going to do is we're going to blush this. This is going to be a highlighter as well. It's going to make your cheeks look shiny, real shiny. Like a chrome car. Nice wax on my face. And my nose. Boop, boop. So we're going to put it on our lips as well. The next thing, we're going to outline our lips. That way it can kind of look... I know where to put the lipstick now. after I outline. And you'll see that. So there's the bottom. We're going to start middle out right here. We're going to do both sides. We're going to keep doing this until it's fully outlined. And as you can see there. Next, we're going to do lipstick. Hey, this is my favorite color lipstick. Oh, it's so nice. Look at the color. It's like a very natural, and it just goes so well with this makeup setup. Alright, next we're going to do a balm sort of thing. Patrick loves this one because it tingles the lips when we kiss, and I like kissing him. Alright, next we're going to shake, 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 and spray. Ooh, nice and refreshing. And ooh, did my husband just come in? Because it got hot in here. Ooh. Next, we're just going to put my hair down, fluff it out, and final product. Boom.
So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what other video ideas you have for me. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.